useful tips from area resources. This is Morning Connection.
Good morning, I'm Katie Kunkel. The winter season may be a good time to catch up on some of your indoor home improvement projects. And here to tell us more about what you can do to improve the interior of your home during those cold winter months is Kane Rocco of Rock Tait Exteriors. Good morning, Kane.
Good morning, Katie.
So what are some home improvement projects that we can be doing during the winter time, to the interior of our house?
Things that are being really popular now is like opening up the home where the living room and kitchen are kind of open effect, having a bar area where you're eating versus a wall. Basement remodels, just making more space to live in, and then kitchen, of course, and bathroom are very popular, so that's a very common thing we do in the winter.
Okay, and then are there any exterior projects that most of us don't think about completing during these cold winter months?
Yeah, so if we plan things well, we can do additions, 3 and 4 season rooms, full additions, and spend time adding that onto a home and not affect the inside of the home. Also siding, windows, those type of things can be done in the winter. It's just obviously not optimal to open up the house. But as far as siding goes, you can still do that. And then insulation also is something you can do in the winter.
Well, and that was my next question. So if we notice that our homes are cold and drafty now, can we still insulate, or do we need to wait until spring? Is it too late now?
So we test homes in the winter, and we do perform the work in the winter. It gives us a really good indication of that cold temperatures when you're testing the home. So winter is very popular with that. And we have a heated shop, so all our materials are kept warm. So yeah, it's a year-round thing with insulation.
Great. Well, great advice. Thank you for joining me this morning, Kane.
Thanks, Katie.
And to learn more, please visit weau.com and click on Morning Connection.